In this video, I'm going to quickly show how to set alerts for Google Forms and Google Sheets. So I have a lot of forms that I have people filling out, but unless I'm going to go back in and look for answers every time or look for responses, I'm not going to know when somebody responds to it, and I have to respond to their response. So I can go, when I'm in Google Sheets, I can go to Tools and Notification Rules. I've already set one here, but if we click Add Notification Rule, you can choose for you to be notified any changes that are made. So that would include if someone opened up the spreadsheet and made some changes, or if you're using a form, somebody submits a new response from the form. And then you can either be notified right away or with a daily digest. So for most of mine, I need to be emailed right away when somebody submits it.